Learn how to make money online with these tips. The internet is a rich playing field for those who want to make a lot of money online. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can get involved in. If you want to learn some of the ways to make an income online, read the following video for lots of helpful advice. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Anyone can make money online if they have the right approach. By getting good information like what you have read in this video, you put yourself one step ahead of the competition. Always keep an open mind to learn as much as you can about it. There is no better time than now to get started. Student loan.